Welcome student in banking class. Let us take up the first unit, that is Introduction to Banking. In this chapter we will going to study the meaning of banking, definition, features of banking and functions of banking. Today in this video we will going to deal with the meaning of banking, definition and features of banking. So let us start with Introduction to Banking. Banking industry, as you all know, that it is a service industry. They provide different services to their customers. Banks deal with deposits and advances. Now, deposits, there are people who have surplus money but they lack ideas what to do with their surplus money. Whereas, on the other hand, there are people who want money for different needs but they don't have money. So, looking at this, banks started by taking deposits from the people who had surplus money and lending money to others who wanted money for different reasons. And for that, bank charge interest from those who borrowed the money and gave back a portion of interest earned to those who deposited money in the bank. So the difference in interest rate of deposits and lending constituted the revenue for the bank. The difference between interest charged and earned is also known as interest rates spread in banking terms. Now let us see the origin of the term bank. The term origin of the bank is from the word banco, means a bench used by the money changers during the Middle Ages. Student, now let us see the definition of banking. The definition given by Banking Regulation Act 1949. Before we start with the definition of banking, let us see what is this Banking Regulation Act. Banking Regulation Act 1949 is a legislation in India that regulates all banking firms in India. Earlier, it was passed as the Banking Companies Act 1949. It came into force from 16th March 1949 and then later changed to Banking Regulation Act 1949 from 1st March 1966. Banking Regulation Act 1949 states all banking firms will be regulated under this act. So, that is something about Banking Regulation Act. Now, we'll discuss about the definition. It says, according to Banking Regulation Act 1949, the term banking refers to accepting deposits for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise withdrawable by cash, checks, demand draft and so on. As I said, definition is given by Banking Regulation Act 1949. Now, as you all know, bank accept deposit money from the public okay, from the customer for the purpose of lending, so that the customer, whenever they need their money back, okay, bank can lend their money, bank can give their money back in case of emergency. Okay, moving on to further, or investment of deposits of money from the public. Okay, so now whatever the deposits banks are collecting from the public, as bank is service oriented, also bank is profit oriented, so bank need to invest deposits which they have collected from the public to earn profit. So now bank invest deposits in securities, okay, different type of securities. Then repayable on demand, or otherwise withdrawable by cash, checks, demand draft, and so on. Whenever customer demands their money back, as I already said, in case of emergency or any other reason, yes, it is the duty of bank to repay their money on the demand of the customers. Okay, or they also can withdraw with the help of checks, the instrument, checks, demand draft, and many other way. Another way, easiest way, they can withdraw by cash also, right? That is the simplest definition of banking. Okay, once again we'll read out. According to Banking Regulation Act 1949, the term banking refers to accepting deposits for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand, or otherwise withdrawable by cash, checks, demand draft, and so on.